Hey guys, Jason Geiman here with PressureWashHelp.com. So I am here and I want to help you grow your business and help you be successful. So I had a question come in and I wanted to answer it here. And it was from Abe. And the question is I've been using downstream injector and just getting straight SH in the 5-gallon buckets. I'm getting tired of strapping down all these 5-gallon buckets. I would like to know how you do the fitting on top of your soap tank. All right, so this is one of our soap tanks. This is one of the original soap tanks that I've had when I very first started. I bought a kit off of some guy way down in Kentucky, and the tank is still holding up. That was 6 years ago, 7 years ago. So the question is how do we able to put our soap and suck it out of these tanks? So what we use a bulkhead fitting, which is this right here. This is actually a little bit bigger one for this. I usually use this for my roof cleaning pump and that kind of stuff. So if you see here, I actually got two. One's for roof cleaning, one's for house washing. What we'll do is we'll take a piece of PVC pipe. I stick this down in there. We cut it off the size. We take PVC glue and we glue in a slip fitting to threaded fitting. Tighten it, or slide that on. What we need to do next is cut a hole for our bulkhead fitting here. I like using a big drill bit here. That way it fits just the size of the thread. Right here, it just fits just the size of the thread. We can screw this in there. Then we can either mount this where it's going up or down. Now, here's some important, and then on the top of that, you're going to have this like so, and then on the top of that, you're going to have this right here. Some key factors to remember. We always want to use thread tape or thread pipe dope on our fittings. Another factor for this side, especially on this side, do not over tighten. They will crack. I've done it 2 or 3 times. I do like this fitting here that I got right here, the bulkhead fitting. You can get these in 3/4 or 1 inch. These are a little bit heavier duty. The ones at Tractor Supply are these here, and they get real thin right in here. And I've had several break on me. Just over time, they'll crack from the weight of the pipe. We're using sodium hypochlorite, bleach, sodium hypochlorite, chlorine, and it will just eat and wear on these things over time. So just make sure that when you're tightening them, you don't over tighten. You want them tight, obviously, but you don't want them over tight. The other key factor is over time, sometimes you got to make sure these are tight. You don't want too many fittings here. So if you can get away with, just these 3 fittings, that's better. The more fittings we get here, the better chance that it's going to leak. Each place is if we use a bushing and then we got to bushing it down again, those are places that, one little bit of, just a little bit of time and then moving back and forth can cause it to start sucking air. And once it starts sucking air, you're not going to get your chemical out that you need or your soap. And we do this for both our house washing and our roof cleaning. Our house washing has just got this small nipple on it right here. And this is what I'm saying. This one here, I don't like doing this right here because this right here is another fitting that would fit down in there. And I try to go from whatever size I need to get to whatever size is in my threads there. Like I said, the more thread you get, the more chances it is to leak. And I'm not trying to do this as a scare of doing it. I'm just saying, over time, it does it. The other thing on this here that causes reason why your soap won't work is if you got a tank that somebody can knock that fitting or hit that fitting, whatever, it will allow that to loosen up a little bit or crack it, and then it won't work. I hope this helps you out, Abe. I hope that answered your question. If you have any questions, please ask below, and I'll definitely answer them for you. If you would like to learn how to set up a pressure washing rig, check out all these videos up here. And if you would like to learn about Christmas lights, check out these videos down here. Thank you and have a great day.